Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, as you guys can tell from the title, I am going to be unboxing another Morphe surprise box. So in the first box, I did not get any special collection, so I decided to try again and get another box. Hopefully this time I have luck. And also I did get a lot of views on that video, so that's something that I do like and I do appreciate, so which means that you guys are actually wanting to see more videos. So I was like, might as well get another Morphe box and unbox and see if this time it's lucky. If not, that's okay, because I love Morphe and anything that comes from them, I appreciate. So this box, I bought it for $50 at the Morphe store. The other one, I actually walked into the Morphe store as well. So without further ado, okay, so I untaped it. Now I cut the tape here. So let's go ahead and open it and see what's inside. Oh! Okay, I can't show you guys that. It looks like I got lucky this time. I'm not going to show you guys. Well, I am, because you guys already seen it. But I think I actually got the special collection. So when I walked into the Morphe store, I asked the lady if she had the Morphe boxes. And she went into the back and she brought about 3 boxes. And she was like, here, I think this one is special. And I was like, special, right? So thank you to the lady who gave me this box. I really appreciate it. She knew me very well. Okay, so let's go and see what we got in the box. We got some eyelashes, which I definitely use. These are the Seductress. They are not the ones I got last time. The ones I got last time were a little bit different. They're big. I love big eyelashes, so I'm definitely gonna put these to use. We got another Blushing Babe Pop of Pink blush trio. So let's go ahead and open it. As I mentioned, I do not use blush, but I do have 2 now. So I might as well keep one and see if I'm going to be using it and do the other one as a giveaway. Yep, it's the same colors. It is Rule Breaker, Free, and Spirit. I'm going to put this back in its little packaging. Oh my gosh, I am so excited to get to the main point. Okay, we're going to go into this goodie bag here. And it comes with 3 brushes. It comes with the R8, which is from the Rose collection. This is a flat brush. This is definitely good for really marking that contour here with some translucent powder. So I'm definitely going to be using this. This is the long bristle one again. This is the R8. I use it for like highlight on my nose and right here on my cheekbone, especially with the Jaclyn Hill. It's a very pigmented palette, very bright. So something small like this would be perfect because you don't want to add too much of the highlight. We also have the R39, which is a very nice blending brush. It has the smaller bristles. So this is going to be definitely put to use. You can never have too many of those. Oh, so excited! Oh my gosh, look at what this lucky box got. It's the Jaclyn Hill collection. This is the Vault collection. It is Morphe times Jaclyn Hill. I'm so excited. I don't even know which one to start with. So let's start with Dark Magic here. I am so excited to finally show you guys the shades I've stashed away in the vault. I hope you love this collection. So it's funny because I never bought this collection. This is the only thing that I never bought from Jaclyn Hill. And I was recently thinking about purchasing it, but I never thought it was going to be in the surprise box. I thought in the surprise box was going to be like one collaboration, which was probably going to be the James. But I never knew like they were going to put different types of collections in the boxes. So I'm super excited. I couldn't have got a better box. Oh, this is so pretty. Are you guys ready? Ta-ding! Can you guys see that? So these are such pretty colors. There's some greens, darks, black. Look at this one called Poison. A neutral color, power cut. Definitely very pretty colors. I'm going to close that one. And then again, this is the Dark Magic, in case you guys were thinking of purchasing this box. Now we're going to go ahead and move on to our second box we have here. This is called Armed and Gorgeous. So let's go ahead and open this one. Are you guys ready? Ah! There you go. That was the glare mode. Perfect. So these are very beautiful orange colors. Look at these. This one here, coin, is very pretty classified. Look at this color right here. It reminds me of, I think it's Pukey in her palette. VIP Top Secret. This looks kind of like the one we just poisoned. It's a little bit dark, I think. Very pretty. I'm so happy. Thank you, Morphe. Okay, we're gonna go with our third box, which is Ring the Alarm. I heard a lot about this one right here, Ring the Alarm. I don't really know them by the names, but I heard a lot about this one. So let's see. You guys ready? We're gonna take this off. So this is such beautiful pinks and reds. A little bit of orange here, alert, bomb ass, lolly like her doggy, mugshot frame. This is a beautiful plum color here. Oh my gosh. I could have not got a better Morphe box on my surprise box. Okay. And last but not least, this is Bling Bloss. If I'm correct, this is going to be the purples in her Vault collection. Okay. Bling Bloss. You guys ready? Look at this. Yes, look at this gem color. It's so pretty. Rockstar. Ballsy. Look at this beautiful color right here. I am super, super excited. Overall, as you guys can tell, I loved this box, the surprise box here. Can you guys hear my pig? He's probably hungry. We should go feed him. Oh my gosh, I am so happy, you guys. You guys can't imagine. This is like the best box. Like, to be honest, out of all of the collections, this would have been, well, this is the one I would have chosen if you could choose one. So that girl definitely knew me well. I feel like going back in there and be like, can I get another surprise box? Yeah, I know. So this one is definitely worth it on here. I can't wait to do looks with the Vault collection. So thank you guys so much for watching. Oh, I actually have some more here. I think I got so excited with the Vault collection that I left these out. Can you guys believe that? That's how excited I was. Okay, we're going to bring these out. I literally just... I didn't care about these because I was so excited with the Vault collection. Oh my gosh. Okay, so we're going to go with, this is the lip crayon. This is called MCM. This is a different one than the one I recently got in my other box. This was more like a dark neutral color. I'm going to put it in my hand so you guys can see. Oh, this is so pretty. It's like a dark pink purple. I don't know how to explain it, but it's like a matte. It's a very pretty color. So I'm definitely going to keep this. And it's like with that collection, what doesn't go with it? All of these colors will go with it. There's different colors in the Vault collection. So we got Frost for the lip gloss. Oh, it's the one I got last time. It's that see-through gloss color that you just wear over. And I got a lipstick. It's a red one called Lover. Ooh. So let's get this open. I don't think it's the one I got last time. I think the one I got last time was a little bit different. Yeah, Lover. Oh, this is pretty. This is like a darker color. Should I just throw it over? Let me grab a tissue. Okay, so I cleaned that off. I'm going to put this on. Let me grab a mirror now. I know. Sorry, you guys. I'm complicated. Okay. Got my beautiful mirror here. Ah! It looks very similar to the other one.
Allá.
Okay, so it is a pretty intense look. I feel like that girl from, what is it called? That girl that, the wizard, no, not the Wizard of Oz. That girl and that bunny and that cat. Alice in Wonderland. Thank you. Yes, I look like the evil queen from Alice in Wonderland. Okay, guys, so I'm done with the box for reals this time. There is nothing left in this box for me to unbox. I got super excited with the ball collection, as you guys can tell, and I totally forgot about the lipstick. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe, give it a thumbs up, like, and if you really like it, go ahead and share it with your friends. So I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!